Students, discuss about polygenic inheritance. Already you know about the erythroblastosis fetalis. Erythroblastosis fetalis, it is the one of the genetical incompatibility disorder between the Rh positive fetus and the Rh negative mother. Okay, at this type of the condition, Rh negative mother is administered with the for the protection of the erythroblastosis fetalis. Rh negative mother should be administered with the anti-D type of antibodies, Rh antibodies. Okay, just after the delivery. Okay students, after the delivery immediately should be administered with the Rhd type antibodies for the prevention of erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay, it is produces passive immunity. Passive immunity means these are the antibodies entered into the body through the injection, destroy all the antigens which are enters into the maternal circulation. Okay, by this way, by the production of the passive immunity, introducing of the ready-made antibodies which shows the effective action against the Rh antigens. Okay, for the prevention of the erythroblastosis fetalis. Students, polygenic inheritance, it means additive effect of the two or more genes on single phenotypic character. Polygenic inheritance, it is opposite to the pleiotropy. Okay, additive effect of two or more genes. Students, it is important. Two or more genes on single phenotypic character. Single phenotypic character may be affected by, influenced by two or more genes. Students, what is quantitative characters? Quantitative character, that means phenotype depend on the action of many genes, also with the environment. One of the phenotype which is possessed by the individuals, that is by the action of the not a single gene, many genes, and also by the environment. Okay student, that is character, that is the phenotype present in the animals called quantitative characters. Quantitative variation, what is the meaning of quantitative variation? Existence of the different phenotypes individuals, different for only specific character, single character, that is shows in many forms. Existence of the different phenotypes. Single character in the animals is appeared in the form of the different phenotypes. Student, that is called quantitative variations. For example, skin color and blood pressure. Student, blood pressure in the individuals, skin color in the individuals, this type of the variations, quantitative variations. Okay student, next, quantitative variation indicates polygenic inheritance. Next, skin color in man, it is the best example for polygenic inheritance. Polygenic, more genes. Okay, skin color in man. Human skin color varies in population in gradients called quantitative character. Human skin color, it is the one of the character shows by the individuals, persons present in the population in gradients. Okay, that is called quantitative character. Students, if you observe skin pigmentation in humans, skin pigmentation of the skin is due to the deposition of the melanin, that is the pigment. Okay, skin pigmentation is caused by pigment in the skin. Okay, that is melanin. Okay, skin pigmentation in humans, this is the phenotypic character is by three genes students. Three genes. Which are three genes? A, B, C are the genes. Okay, student, skin pigmentation in humans, it is the phenotypic character by the presence of the three genes. Okay, three genes that controls the single character, that is the skin color. Okay, genes. Which are the genes? Capital A, capital B, capital C are the genes. These are dominant alleles. These are the genes with dominant alleles in the form of the, these are the genes in the form of the dominant alleles. Capital A, capital B, capital C control the skin color in the human beings and responsible for dark skin color. Okay, student, dark skin color. Dominant alleles, these are the genes available in the form of the dominant alleles, and it is causes for the responsible for dark skin color. Next, small a, small b, small c, these are the alleles for gene. Okay, human skin color. And alleles for light skin color. Light, small a, small b, small c are the alleles for light skin color. Okay, student, and these are the alleles inherited from the parent to the progeny. Now, if you observe progeny, these are the genes are available. These are receiving from the parent individual, mother parent and the father parent. Okay, persons having all the capital letters, all the dominant alleles shows the phenotypic character of the skin color with very dark. Okay, and all the small letters, persons with phenotypic character very light skin color. Okay, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, skin with intermediate color between very dark and the very light. Genotypes: capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, and capital A, capital B, small b, small c, small c. Okay, these are the progeny having three dominant alleles: capital A, capital B, small c, capital A, capital B. Three dominant alleles present in the individuals receiving from the parents, inherited from the parents to the next generations, having three dominant alleles. Okay, that makes the skin darkness in these individuals, skin darkness. Next, different skin color phenotypes, light skin, dark skin, intermediate color. Okay, due to the deposition, based on the deposition of the melanin pigment in the skin. Student, that could result from mating between capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. Okay, heterozygous organisms, individuals are which are shows these type of the genotype, individuals which shows these type of the genotypes having heterozygous organisms. Okay, why called heterozygous organisms? Having different alleles for gene, having different types of the alleles for the gene that are individuals are called heterozygous organisms. Okay, number of each type of alleles in genotypes determine the darkness and the lightness of the skin in the individuals. Okay, it is about the polygenic inheritance. with the example of skin color in human beings.